Hi, I'm Vicki.
And I'm Joanne. Welcome to our kitchen.
Today we have a chicken casserole recipe that's easy enough to fix for a weeknight meal, but special enough for a holiday dinner.
And you can find this recipe in our Circle of Friends online cookbook. Just go to Joanne and Vicki's Favorite 25.
I can't wait to try it. Let's get started.
This recipe calls for chicken breasts. We've got our chicken breasts already cooked here today, and we've got them chopped and cubed and ready to go. If you want to do them yourself in the oven, you can poach them, you can bake them, do it whatever you like. So I'll let you go ahead, Vicki, and get started.
Okay, we're going to mix our chicken with sour cream and the soup.
You know, we always tell people that they can use rotisserie chicken if they like. You know,
That would simplify
exactly.
it.
If you want to make it nice and easy for yourself.
And it would be nice and flavorful too.
Yeah.
Okay, then we're going to pour the mixture into a greased 2-quart casserole dish.
Okay, for the top layer, we're going to take our stuffing mix, which is already prepared in the grocery store. You can use any kind you like. We've got some melted butter that we're going to add, and we've got some broth. So we're going to go ahead and mix that up, and we're going to let it just sit for just a few minutes so that it absorbs kind of all of that liquid, and then we're going to pop it on top of our casserole. We've got our moistened stuffing mix ready to go here. We're going to go ahead and we're going to put this on top of the chicken. I'm going to smooth it over a little bit. It's nice and moistened. Thank you. And we're going to bake this uncovered at 350 degrees for 20 to 30 minutes or until it's nice and bubbly. Remember, when you take it out of the oven, though, you want to let it sit for about 10 minutes so that it can firm up a little bit before you serve it.
Oh, I wish you could smell how wonderful it smells in here.
No, it looks delicious. Let's go ahead and give it a try.
Okay, if we must.
We always do.
Yes.
We're willing to do that. The dressing on the top adds that little extra flavor, kind of finishes the meal. Delicious flavor.
It's like a holiday meal.
Absolutely. Perfect on a cold day like today.
My family would love this.
It's delicious.
Remember, you can find this recipe and thousands more on our website at gooseberrypatch.com.
And be sure to let us know if you like the recipe. Thanks for watching.